Inconsistent behavior of any df equals value on pandas data frame. I have two data frames df1, df2 as follows. When trying to check if 1 is in df1, it yields true as expected. However, when trying the same on df2, I get, unexpectedly, false. Despite that from a Boolean perspective everything seems right. Any ideas on why is that? PS. I am not asking about the built-in any function in pandas. I am just puzzled with the behavior of any.
You need to use pandas built-in any instead of any from base Python. When using any from Python, it treats the data frame as an iterable /dictionary and thus only check the column names, without looking at the values of the data frame. If you simply loop through df1 and df2, you can see it only returns the column names, which is how a dictionary behaves. Since df1 contains column names of 0 and 1, any 0, 1 will return true. df2, on the other hand, contains only one column of 0, any 0 returns false. So any df equals 1 is somewhat equivalent to any df or any df.columns.
In pandas better use dataframe.any. NumPy solutions.
You need to use df2 equals 1 .any instead.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.